Happy 4th of July, everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful 4th of July weekend and that you're staying safe and happy. If you ever are curious about what we celebrate on the 4th of July, I've picked out some books and DVDs on American history, the Declaration of Independence, and what has made America what it is today. Now, the first DVDs I picked out, this one's from the Children's Department. It's American History for Children, American Independence. We have a lot of DVDs like this in the Children's Department. And then I have this one. It's actually an original Broadway performance, 1776. It's about the founding of the United States. Pretty cool. Then I have some books. This one is Declaration of Independence. And then another one, The American Spirit by David McCullough. And then don't know much about history. This actually is kind of interesting because it gives you all these facts that tell about what actually happened in the forming of the country and up until more recent times. And then this one is called Our Declaration, a reading of the Declaration of Independence in defense of equality. I think this one ought to be read by a lot of people, including me. I love history. That's one of my favorite genres to read. Then we've got a book called The American Spirit. This is in the YA department, and it talks about celebrating the virtues and values that make us great, and that's about people in America. Then in the children's department, there's Declaring Freedom and the Declaration of Independence. So you see, we have a wide variety all through the library in all three departments, and you should all come check those out. July 8th is National Video Game Day, and I wanted to let you know about all the video games that we have here in the library. You know, the last time I played a video game was with my grandson on his PS3. And before that, it was with my sons on their Atari 400. That was a long time ago. So the games that we have here in the library, and we have them in all three departments, we have PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4. We have Xbox 360 and Xbox One. We have Wii, and we have Switch. So we have a lot of different ones that you can come in and check out. So come in, see what we have. You'll enjoy. On July 17th, Eby, who is the UN Arts Ambassador, is going to be holding an art workshop right here at the Rogers Public Library. Now, this is sponsored by Friends of the Rogers Library, and it's going to be Saturday, July 17th. Now, we have a session for children's and then one for teens and adults. The children's is from 10 to 11, and the adults and teens is from 2 to 4. He's going to bring some of his paintings, and he's going to talk about what has inspired him to paint what he has painted. And then he's going to help you get inspired so you can paint your own right here that very day. So that sounds like a lot of fun. You do need to register for that, and a link for that registration will be in the description of our video. So once again, I want to remind you to have a safe and happy 4th of July. Oh, and remember, we're closed tomorrow, Monday the 5th. So bye, everyone. Hope you all stay safe and happy.